Good evening to you all, and thank you very much. I know it is a very hard job for me now. One is to close it at 10 minutes. Another thing is keeping everybody alive. Okay? And I'm sure nobody can conclude a talk in 10 minutes. Unless until you are a GPS provider. That's how I look at it. Because setting up an expectation for a customer in this particular industry is become a big challenge. So I have an appeal to all of you people, because I have come here only to tell this much, not to tell about what product I sold, what technology I have. But I know I have a very limited technology or expertise in this particular domain. We have so many international delegates who are come here. They are quite knowledgeable. We have technology gurus sitting in this crowd. So I'm not here to sell technology. I have an appeal to all of you. Can we make this industry revive? From 2002, we have seen telematics in India. But what happened to India telematics industry? Why it is not happening here? What is the real problems attached to it? How many of us have made a step of action? I give a great credit to the people behind this program, GPS Wire, organizing this, and give them a big hand, first of all. It's nothing but at least somebody has laid a platform for the people. See, I have met some of our people who we meet in the market, but I never seen them face to face. Mr. Dhruv, he has given a wonderful presentation, I believe. I was not here, unfortunately. I got late with my flight. I'll definitely go behind him to see the presentation. I'll request him to give to me again. Why? Because there are only few people who could sustain themselves in this market. Yes. Why? We have seen so many big players coming into this market and they could not set up the shop. What is the real problem behind it? How many of us are really thought about it? And how are we going to address to this? Who is going to bear all this cost? So I will skip all my slides. I don't have anything to present. I have only this slide to present. Because what am I going to talk otherwise? Okay, one slide, I'll just quickly go. Let us see this. What is this showing? Can anybody make out of this slide what it is? Look at the expectations. Look at the time. And where are we today? There is always a gap. And we are not seeing the gap. And we are running. Yes, we are telling there is a 100,000 units requirement. Let me make a $10 million. Near impossible. Nobody can make that kind of money unless until you deliver value. And how many are being able to derive the value system? Please, if somebody can give me an answer, I'll sit there and let them come here. That's what I need to talk about. We have started in the year 2005. Tell you, we are profit making in this industry. Don't ask me how much, maybe 1 rupee. But even we are profit making. In other words, we survived in this challenging industry. So I request all of you, can we make some benchmarking? Can we make some standard? Can we come out with some model? How do you do that? Where do we do that? We can have wonderful presentations given across, telling, yes, I can deliver this technology, that will happen, this will happen. When a person is coming, he'll be taken care. See, one of the customer told, hey, you guys does not have a tamper-proof device. So I asked him, good, how much did you pay for it? Maybe 10,000 rupees. How do you expect me to make a bank locker around that device? What is called tamper-proof means? Is it reasonable enough to talk? See, end of the day, the customers expect, because somebody else goes and offer a moon, and he doesn't even deliver. And end of the day, they spoil the market. So let us change this mode of working. Let us understand. Let us sit with the client and tell them, see, boss, if you expect something, you pay for it. The same product, what he is selling, is he not charging for? Definite. Am I right? So I am skipping all my slides because it doesn't make any meaning for me. So probably to bringing the telematics standard, that's a topic which I was talking about. I'll just skip this. Maybe in 1 minute I'll tell you. Today, we started seeing this commercial telematics is coming to some shape after so much of a time, but it has never gone away from the curve. So there was so much of a hype, it has gone. People thinking that it's the big business, the best thing in this, we'll outbeat Microsoft. That's what people have been thinking about. But it won't happen so easy, right? Okay, so I will just skip these slides. It's all school transport management. All these things are there, technology. First 10 minutes is almost, 8 minutes is over, sir. What more I can talk? Huh? Then come vendor finalization. Okay, what is a vendor commitment? Before that, okay, build a business case. This is only which I will talk about. When you go to a customer, tell them, you come out with what you want. Whenever you go there, you tell me, sir, what you have. You have what all features, then we will choose. He is not sure about what he wants. Then how can you give him a solution? Yeah? So I tell them, see, unless until you give me an Excel sheet with 1, 2, or 3 sentences, I don't have a solution for you, sorry. Because I don't have time to waste. We have refused to a customer who may be having told us, I need 10,000 units of devices. Good, sir, you have it. But we don't have it for you, because you don't know what you want. Then we selling 10,000 units, and you are out from that industry, because he wants to kill me. Yeah? I will not let. So let us, see, I have seen so many senior professionals who are sitting here. I don't know any of them by face, because maybe this is the first time my appearance in front of a crowd of this kind. Thank you so much. But can we make this as a beginning? Who will lead this? After this, everybody go home and forget about it. I have a set of visiting cards. Nobody bothers about it. We can think about it, how we can change this in this industry, how we make things more workable. Let this industry grow, because it is going to help the humans in many a fashion. This is the message which I wanted to convey to you. Okay, I'll skip all these things. So many big slides. I was sitting and preparing. I spent hours together to prepare this, and I haven't given 10 minutes. Then what do I do? Sorry, yeah? Okay, I don't want to go about it. I just wanted to tell, I have a case study to speak about, okay? One of the customers came to us and told us, we have certain set of problems. Thank you very much. I've seen a first customer in our career in 2008, after starting the company in 2005. A customer who has got a requirement, saying that I need this.